Hello friends, in this video we are going to launch the course for PFRDA Grade A, the notification for which came recently. We have already made a separate video in which we have covered details like the pattern of the exam, the syllabus of the exam, the salary, the number of vacancies, all that has been covered in a separate video which is there on our YouTube channel. You can watch that. In this video we are going to discuss about the course that we are going to launch for PFRDA Grade A Assistant Manager vacancies. Before I go ahead, I would request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel in case you have not subscribed to, or you can also join our Telegram channel where we keep sharing free content. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description of this video. Now, before I move ahead, there might be a question in your mind that why we are launching a course for PFRDA when the vacancies are very less. There are around 5 vacancies, one in each category. So the first reason is that for serious aspirants, right, who want to give a shot at this exam, this course is meant for those serious aspirants, right? For others who are non-serious, they anyways, no, I know they would not prepare for this exam, and that is logical. Second is that there is an update on SEBI notification. As per our sources, the SEBI notification may come in September. So when I say in September, it can be 30 days here and there, but it is about to come anytime soon, once 15 September is crossed. And when I say that SEBI notification has to come, we have to relate our preparation for PFRDA with SEBI. Why? Because there is huge overlap of syllabus between SEBI and PFRDA, right? Almost paper 1 pattern and syllabus is same, paper 2 pattern and syllabus in phase 1 is also same. Paper 2 pattern and syllabus in phase 2 is same, and paper 1 pattern and syllabus in phase 2 again is same. So huge overlap of syllabus and pattern in SEBI and PFRDA must make you think that if you are preparing for SEBI, you should also give a shot at PFRDA. So that is the second reason. There are small changes or small differences between SEBI and PFRDA. In the scheme, for example, in PFRDA, there is no mention that you need to get only 30% qualifying. So they will have a separate merit list, right? And in phase two of PFRDA, there is no mention that English will have less weightage as it was the case in SEBI. So there are these minor differences with respect to the scheme of the examination, but the pattern or the syllabus entirely remains the same, except that in PFRDA you will get an additional component by the name pension sector in your paper 2. This is the additional component in PFRDA. Everything else remains the same. So taking into account that serious aspirants who has already prepared for SEBI and would be preparing for the upcoming notification of SEBI, I think it makes sense to go for PFRDA even though there are less seats, because it's just reading a pension sector as an extra component and you're ready for the exam, right? So now let's discuss about the variants that we are launching. We are going to launch 3 variants, right? And the course that we are launching is not only for PFRDA, as I told you, since PFRD and SEBI have a huge overlap. I don't think any other exams have a overlap of the same kind, right? So they have a huge overlap, and therefore the variant that we are launching is valid both for SEBI and PFRDA. So one is gold package in which you will get everything for phase 1 and phase 2, and one is silver package for SEBI and PFRDA in which you will get only material for phase 2. What is the difference? In gold package, basically for phase 1, you will get quant reasoning English videos and quizzes. You will get current affairs for GA, right? And you will get all the material for paper 2, all the subjects, commerce and accounts, finance, management, economics, costing, company law, and pension sector. All the components would be covered there for paper 2. And then there would be 5 FLTs for paper 1, right? For phase 1 basically, and paper 2, phase 1. Right. And then in phase 2, right, in gold package, you will get descriptive English, paper 2, all the components that what I told here, entirely same thing here, current affairs, and 3 full length tests for paper 2. So this is what you will get in the gold package. And the silver package, the only difference is that you will not get 5 FLTs for phase 1. This you will not get in the silver package, and you will not get the QRE videos, and you will not get the 5 FLTs for paper 2 phase 1. But you will get these 3 FLTs for paper 2, right, for phase 2. So the only difference between silver package and gold package is you will not get quant reasoning English videos, and you will not get FLTs for phase 1. that is both for paper 1 and paper 2. 5 FLTs that are there for phase 1 you will not get. Apart from that, everything is same between gold and silver package. So this is about the first variant. Now in the second variant, we are only launching the PFRDA course, right? So for people who have already subscribed to SEBI course and they only want PFRDA pension component, right? That is, you only want to prepare for the pension component. Everything else you have already prepared, or you are preparing from the already existing course. You can enroll into this sole pension component. In this, we shall be covering the pension component in detail as per syllabus, status of pension sector in India, types of retirement schemes, national pension system, very very important in NPS. There were a lot of questions from this, Atal Pension Yojana, annuity plans, and basics of investment. All this would be covered under this pension sector component. That is the second variant. So this is for those people who have already prepared for SEBI, have a lot of knowledge about the other components, or they have already subscribed to the SEBI course. They can buy this additional component of the pension sector to prepare for this extra component. And the third variant we are launching as a test series, 5000 MCQ course for SEBI and PFRDA, right? So for those who want to have quick coverage of content through a lot of MCQs, maybe this can be helpful. Though I always feel that no, MCQs are good for retention and practice and analyzing your mistakes. They solve a purpose of learning, but more or less learning should be done from a comprehensive course, and these should be used for practice and retention. But nonetheless, you have your own preferences. So this is a 5000 MCQ course in which, right, you will get MCQs, chapter-wise MCQs on all the components of paper 2. Right. First of all, this is 5000 MCQs course only for paper 2. No questions from paper 1. So paper 2, your costing, company law, accounts, economics, finance management, there would be chapter-wise MCQs. Plus, there would be sectional test of each of these components, 4 sectional test of each of these components. Plus, there would be 5 to 8 full-length mock test on paper 2, right? And now you would be thinking that SEBI and PFRDA has a different syllabus, as in pension sector in PFRDA is extra. So would the mock test, full-length mock test, be common for SEBI and PFRDA? No, the mock test for SEBI and PFRDA would be different because PFRDA has additional component which is not there in SEBI, right? So this is the third variant that we are launching, 5000 MCQ course for SEBI and PFRDA grade A. Are there any discounts? The answer is yes. We are running 15% early bird discount, right? The coupon code is early15, right? You can subscribe to this course by availing this 15% discount using the coupon code early15. There is 30% discount for old students. You can email us at hello@edutab.co.in, right? Our team will check whether you are existing student or not, and if yes, they will send you the coupon code for 30% discount, right? So these are the discounts currently that we are running on this courses, on these variants that we are launching today. And how to enroll? The link for these courses are given in the description of this video. If you go to the description of this video, the link for all these variants are given there. So you can choose your variant which you want to subscribe, right? And you can also avail the discount. So thank you guys. This was a short video, just an informative video that we have launched something in case you are interested, in case you are a serious aspirant, you can take the benefit of that. So I wish you good luck in case you are preparing for SEBI or PFRDA, right? So back-to-back notifications are expected now. NABARD is already there, SEBI, and then might be that no, you might see RBI somewhere around December, Jan, right? So I think you should pull up your socks, start preparing. Have a good day. Bye bye.